Hey y'all, I'm Ricky Gusay, and I'm coming at you with another unscripted video because I wanted to show you a public preview that we just released a couple of days ago that I think you're going to find really interesting. So let's jump on over to the screen and see what we can find out. So this is what I want to talk to you about. Finding secrets exposed in your organization with the secret risk assessment. So what we have done is we have provided you for free something that you can run at your organizational level, which will come back and give you insight into secrets that may have been leaked into your repositories. So you get an understanding of things like the number of secrets leaked per type, how many are in public repositories, the number of repositories affected. So we don't show you specific secrets. We're not storing that. None of that's being stored or shared in this, but we're trying to give you an idea of your security posture. Now, we do have a tool. We have a secret scanning tool that you could also use to help you with this. But we're giving you this assessment for free so that you understand what your current risk is. And then if you look, our secret scanning tool is now available just as secret scanning. So if we go to pricing and plans, so GitHub Advanced Security is made up of secret scanning and code scanning. And now you have the ability to get secret protection, you have the ability to get code security or code scanning, or you have the ability to do both. But what we're talking about with this assessment is secret scanning. So let's look at how easy this is to do. I've not run this yet, so we're doing this, all at the same time. So we're back here in my DevOps Elvis organization that you see me do a lot of demos out of. And if I go to the security tab, then you'll notice I have an assessment over here on the left-hand side. And if I click assessment, then this is what you initially will see. You'll see we're talking to you about what happens when I start the scan. It's going to perform a point-in-time scan. How am I going to be notified? It's going to send you an email when you're done, when it's done. And what's the cost of a leaked secret? You probably know this, but the cost of a leaked secret can lead to a comprehensive breach, which can hurt your reputation and could potentially cost you a lot of money. So let's go scan my DevOps Elvis organization. Now, I don't know how long this is going to take. I've got 146 repositories. Now, most of my repositories, I'm going to be honest, they aren't that big. There's not a lot of code in them. They're test repositories. And it came back super fast. There you go. Boom. Look at this. That's only 41% complete, but we've already found 105 secrets, 57 that are leaked in public repos, 89 that could have been prevented had I used push protect. Oh, wait, it's still going up. All right, so let's let it finish, and then we'll go through the results. 99% complete. Almost there. Come on. All right, well, I'm going to start going through the results because I'm betting it's not going to find that much more. So we found a total of 324 secrets that were leaked. Now, you'll notice it's saying validate which secrets are active with validity checks. If we look at that, that takes us over to talking about our secret scanning product. And yes, with our secret scanning product, you can check to see if the secrets are valid or not. But I've got 324 secrets that have been leaked in this or pushed into repositories in this organization. 80 of them are in public repos, which means they can be seen. 149 of them could have been preventable had I implemented our secret scanning push protection, so they would have been caught before they even got pushed up. You'll notice that all of them are in code. I don't have any currently in issues or wikis or pull requests, but we do scan those. And our secret categories are, 62% of them, 202, were secrets that were from my partner program. So by default, with our GitHub secret scanning, it scans for partner secrets. And we have, I can't remember, several hundred partner secrets that we scan for. But then we also use AI to scan for more generic types of patterns. And so 122 of them were more generic types of patterns. And 28 of my 151 repositories had leaks in them. And then if you come down here and break into this a little more, we can see that I've got 26 repositories with 116 HTTP bearer header authentication potential problems. I got Google API keys over here in 21 repositories. You'll notice how these numbers are matching up because those are probably all my test repos for when I'm showing off GitHub Advanced Security. But look at that. So with a click of a button and waiting a few minutes, I now can see where I stand from a secrets standpoint in my repositories. Now, I'm going to tell you this. I've seen turning on secret scanning with different people. It pretty much pops all the time because developers either aren't used to not checking in their secrets. Now, sometimes the secrets could be okay to be checked in, they're test secrets or whatever, but a lot of times they're not. And especially in a public repository, somebody finding a secret in a public repository could lead to somebody being able to break into your account, somebody being able to break into your organization and do some really malicious stuff. So here's what I recommend to you. This right now is public preview for GitHub Teams and GitHub Enterprise. So if you're using GitHub Teams or you're using GitHub Enterprise, and go run this assessment. Go see what your security posture is. Even if you're not using GitHub secret scanning, maybe you're using some other tool for secret scanning. Maybe you're using nothing for secret scanning. This will probably make you want to start. But go run this assessment and see what it finds. And then don't ignore it. Okay, that's the other thing. You can't ignore this once it's done. Once the assessment is finished, if you see you've got stuff in your repositories, you need to take some action. Now, one of those actions you could take, obviously, is you could contact GitHub and do a trial of secret scanning or something like that. But do something. Don't just go, oh, okay, we've got secrets exposed. Let's move on with our day. You want to fix it. All right. I hope that was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Seriously, I'm starting to see a little more traction every day, so this is really kind of cool. And let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you like the more off-the-cuff videos versus the more scripted videos, because I do kind of both. Thanks for watching.